Hey friends, let me ask you something. Do you also learn a new English word today and forget it tomorrow? Like, yesterday you learned the word beautiful, and today you're like, what was that word? Beauty, buddy, but? Don't worry, you're not alone. It happens to all of us, even me. Once I forgot the word pencil, and I was holding a pencil in my hand. But today, I'm going to save you, because in this video, I will show you 5 super easy, super powerful ways to stop forgetting English words. If you follow these, your brain will say, "Don't worry, boss, I will remember every word." So, ready? Let's go. Way number 1. Use the word immediately. Many learners make the same mistake. They learn a new word, read it once, maybe repeat it once, and then close the book. The next day, the word is gone from their memory. That's why the first rule is simple. Use the word immediately. Think of new words like fresh food. If you keep food on the table for too long, it goes bad. But if you eat it right away, your body takes the energy. Words are the same. If you don't use them quickly, your brain forgets them. So, what should you do? Step 1. Make sentences right away. For example, if you learn the word confident, don't just look at it. Make at least 3 sentences. I feel confident when I speak English. She is very confident on stage. This shirt makes me look confident. Step 2. Use it in real life. If you meet a friend, try to use the word in a simple sentence. Even if your grammar is not perfect, it is okay. Example: I am confident today. The important thing is that you are using the word, not hiding it. Step 3. Talk to yourself. If no one is around, practice with yourself. Stand in front of the mirror and say, I am confident. Speaking English makes me confident. When you use the word immediately, you are sending a message to your brain. This word is important. Keep it safe. Way number 2. Connect the word with a picture or story. Our brains are not built to remember long lists of words, but they are very good at remembering pictures and stories. That is why, if you only read a word, you will forget it. But if you connect it with an image or a small story, you will remember it for a long time. Think about this. When you were a child, you probably remembered cartoons or stories better than your school lessons. Why? Because stories and images stay in the mind. So, how can you use this for English words? Step 1. Make a mental picture. If the word is butterfly, don't just read it. Close your eyes and imagine a bright, colorful butterfly flying in a garden. Imagine its wings moving. Imagine it sitting on a flower. That picture will help the word stay in your memory. Step 2. Create a short story. Take the same word, butterfly. Make a quick story. Yesterday, a butterfly landed on my hand. I looked at its beautiful wings. Then it flew away. Now, the word butterfly is connected to a memory in your brain. Step 3. Use real images. You can also use your phone or a notebook. Write the word and draw a small picture beside it. Or search for an image on Google and look at it while saying the word aloud. When you link a word with a strong picture or story, your brain says, this is not just a word. This is something real. And real things are harder to forget. Way number 3. Review the word many times. One of the biggest reasons we forget words is because we see them only once. Learning a word one time is not enough. Memory is like a muscle. If you don't exercise it, it becomes weak. The more times you review a word, the stronger your memory becomes. This is where the idea of spaced repetition comes in. It means reviewing words at different times, not all at once. If you review a word again and again, your brain understands that it is important. Here's a simple review plan you can follow. First, review the word the next day after learning it. Then, review it after 3 days. Review it again after 7 days. After that, review it after 1 month. This small system is very powerful. It helps the word move from your short-term memory to your long-term memory. Example, you learned the word journey. Day 1, write 3 sentences with it. Day 3, say the sentences again without looking. Day 7, try to use the word journey in a conversation. Day 30, write a short story with the word journey. You don't need to spend hours. Even 5 minutes of review is enough. The key is to return to the word again and again until your brain says, "This word is important. I will never forget it." Way 4. Use the word in real-life conversations. Learning words in your notebook is good, but it is not enough. If a word stays only on paper, your brain may forget it. But when you use the word in a real conversation, your brain treats it as something important and useful. Think about this. When you say a word to another person, you are not only reading it, you are living it. That experience makes the word stronger in your memory. Step 1. Use the word with friends or classmates. For example, if you learn the word tired, try to use it in daily life. I am tired after school. This work made me tired. Are you tired today? Even if your sentence is simple, it works. The goal is not perfection, but practice. Step 2. Use it online. If you don't have English-speaking friends near you, use the internet. You can join a WhatsApp group, a Facebook group, or even write in the comments of an English video. For example, write, "I feel confident when I practice English every day." Now you are using your new word with real people. Step 3. Practice with yourself. If you have no one to talk to, you can still practice. For example, imagine a small conversation. "How are you?" "I am tired today." This small role play helps the word stay alive in your mind. The more you use words in real-life situations, the more natural they feel. And once a word feels natural, it is very hard to forget. Way 5. Learn words in groups, not alone. Many learners try to remember words one by one. For example, they learn apple today, chair tomorrow, and happy the next day. The problem is, the brain doesn't like random information. It likes connections. When words are connected, they are easier to remember. That's why it is better to learn words in groups or categories. Step 1. Group by topic. Instead of learning apple alone, learn it with other fruits. Apple, banana, mango, orange, grape. When you think of one fruit, the other words will also come to your mind. Step 2. Group by meaning. If you are learning emotions, don't just learn happy, learn other emotions together. Happy, sad, angry, nervous, excited. Now, when you feel something, you can choose the right word from the group. Step 3. Group by situation. Think about daily life situations and learn words for them. For example, at a restaurant. Menu, waiter, order, bill, delicious. Or at school, teacher, class, homework, exam, notebook. This way, when you are in that situation in real life, all the words will come to you together. Learning words in groups is like making a chain. One word pulls the other words, and suddenly you remember many words, not just one. So, my friends, these are the 5 best ways to stop forgetting English words. Number 1. Use the word immediately. Number 2. Connect it with a picture or story. Number 3. Review it many times. Number 4. Use it in real-life conversations. Number 5. Learn words in groups. If you practice these methods, you will see a big difference. You will not just learn new words, you will remember them for a long time. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who are also learning English. And before you go, tell me in the comments, which method will you try first? I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing and keep growing in your English journey.